The third is the Bible and Christian Commission. So we will just wrap up some important insight or important things that Ellen White mentioned. From time to time, the good thing about Great Controversy is we are not only being fed with the things that was revealed by God to this prophetess, to this godly woman, but from time to time, our attention are being drawn back from the history, from the real experiences of, our martyrs, those people who have exemplified things and how to make some reform in their different era of people that they have lived. And the good news is, in spite of the seemingly threat and spiritual dilemma that Christians in the last days might be facing, yet there is always hope, there is always a counter joy, and spiritual backup from God's side. Now let's go to the first area, the Sabbath and the law. Now, on page 611, I quote, "The work of Sabbath reform to be accomplished in the last days is foretold in the prophecy of Isaiah." That is in Isaiah 56, 1, 2, 6, and 7. Everyone, everyone that keepeth the Sabbath from polluting it and taketh hold of my covenant